Hi dearest, so today we're going to learn something new, but before we get into that, let us look at who won our game challenge in our last week's video on the Queen's Hat. We have 3 winners that we selected, and that is Michelle Cotley, GameStar, and Christiana Imana Blake. Congratulations. Please do go to the Craft reception. In the description you will see it there and request for your gifts. And if you did not win, don't worry, you can also attend the class, but it's not for free for you because you didn't win the game challenge. Anyway, go to the Craft Academy and request for Miss Class 1. Alright, so let's get into today's tutorial. So what do you think I'm talking about? Yes, have you ever molded a hat and you saw behind the glue stains, or would I say the hardener stains? Now this is what you do if you get into such a mess up. It's not a mess up. Alright, so you just take your car spray. Now that car spray has to be the same color of the hat. And all you need to do is spray on it, give it a generous spray and leave it outside to dry, and then it is cleared off. You have your hat looking brand new. So today's challenge, what is the name of the video where I posted how to make this lovely hat? It would be one winner this time around, and you get to attend Fascinator Class 1 for free. Alright, so you can check out more tips and tricks in this next video above. Till we meet next time is goodbye and God bless.